Ayo, what if I was in a Pixar movie, huh? Well, guess what? Today we finna make that happen, baby. Let's Pixarify Cardi B. All right, first things first. Let's jump into Runway ML. Don't stress, this ain't rocket science. It's straight up AI magic. On the top left, you'll see the dashboard. Click that. Now look a little further down on the left side and you'll find Generate Image. That's where the fun begins. Upload a pic of me. Yes, this one where I'm looking spicy, okay? Now here's the tea. We're gonna add the magic words. Alright, now hit that big old generate button, baby. Don't be rushing it. Let Runway do its little magic trick. Be patient, occur. Greatness takes a minute, and trust me, this about to be worth the wait. Hold up, wait a minute. Look at me. I got them big old Pixar eyes. Who that? Is that Cardi B or a Disney princess that just got out the Bronx? Which one y'all like better? The glamorous Pixar Cardi or the one that looked like she ready to throw her shoe at Cinderella? Aight, listen, drop in the comments which Pixar Cardi you riding with. Don't be shy, I'm watching y'all answers. And smash that like, or else I'm pulling up to Pixar myself. She looked cute, right? But what if she could talk, walk, and twerk like the real Cardi?